Hello, my name is Rahul Khartode. Today's video topic is main method in Java. The syntax of main method is public static void main string args. It is the full syntax of the main method. When we write some codes, create some class and write some code, some methods or variables. But when we have to execute that code or method, then first we have to call that method or class in the main. That means when we have to execute any code, then we have to call that method or that class in the main method, because JVM starts execution from the main method. In the main method there are special keywords like public static void main string arguments. Public is used for the accessible. That means it is accessible from everywhere. When that means JVM easily access that method from anywhere. Also static. When we use the static as a keyword, we know that when we use the static keyword, there is no need to create the object of any class or any method. For example, we create any class and in that we write some variables and some methods, but the variables and methods are static. Then we do not have need to create the object of that methods or variables. But when variables or methods are non-static, then that method when we want to access, then that should be, or we have to firstly create the object of that class and again we can access that. But by using static, we have to just write the class name and dot and whatever we want to access, that means method or variable. For example, there are two variables, that is int a and int b, and method, that is void print method. The two variables are also static and this method is also static. Method contains sub statements. But when we have to call this, we do not need to create the object of that class because of the static keyword. Static gives the memory at the class loading time, so we can access that methods or variables by using only the class dot name. So we can use it methods or variables by using class only. So that is why the static is keyword used. Third is the void. Void is the return type. That means when the main method is the main method, so that not return any values, so we write their void as a return type. Fifth is the main. Main is the method name. When JVM start execution, then it firstly searches the method which has the main name as a main, then the execution start. But when JVM searches main, it should have the all that keyword, that is public static void main string args. When this all keywords or all types of syntax is 100%, then it calls the method. Also it has the string arguments. Generally the JVM knows only the string type arguments. In the method we can write some methods or some argument like int, char, but JVM knows only the string arguments. So main method has the string arguments. That's all about main method. Thank you.